And Congress is nearing a deal to partially restore Biden's expanded child tax credit. Congressional lawmakers are closing in on a deal that will partially revive President Biden's expanded tax credit for lower income families in exchange for extending tax incentives favored by business interests, according to those close to the negotiations. The emerging 3-year, roughly $80 billion deal with Republicans would ensure that more of the poorest families who are traditionally excluded from the child tax credit because they don't owe any income tax. Those working on the deal stated that things are progressing really well. Senator Mike Crapo, the top Republican on the Finance Committee, said Wednesday that he was hopeful that negotiators were nearing a final agreement. It is unclear at the moment exactly how much money families could expect to see from the proposed expansion. However, it would at least partially change the structure of the child tax credit, the advanced child tax credit, to benefit more families who are currently cut off because their earned incomes are too low to owe federal income taxes, meaning they would now be able to claim the credit. The plan would also be paid for, at least in part, by removing funds from a current COVID aid tax program that encourage businesses to retain their workers. Negotiators are eyeing a deal by January 29, just in time for the legislation to be implemented for the 2024 tax filing season. And the IRS commissioner told the Washington Post that once the deal is finalized, if it is finalized, they will roll up their sleeves and do what is necessary to make it available and implemented for 2024 tax filing season.